Good day, viewers. We don't dey tell una say we dey go out to the people where they know say know their work well, their handwork where they learn well for this our Ogbonge state, Edo State. Now we don't carry our camera out to go look for them. May they tell us how they take start. Don't they hear of this Ojogba? Say e good for AC work well for motor. They find out they go since now we say okay, maybe we bring our camera, come check them for in workshop to see the work way really they do. So una go follow me now, make we find them out.
Good morning.
Well, sir.
I did not break now. One starts, I will see God will still help us today.
We are grateful.
Let's not talk now.
We are grateful.
For all you have done for us in our family.
We are grateful.
I beg any one handle before you start now. Now they ask whether they didn't battery heads, remove them before because waiting they do may not go spark. I beg and we tell you. Because another break day, night break now, another year we start now. God will help us in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Give me two. Hand it in. Okay, come. Let's step here.
So viewers, we don't reach where Ojogba air condition factory day for Benin City. And we see am say in really they work in boys full everywhere now. We want ask him now how this work they be.
My name is Sunday. I come from Ojogba. That's why I just bear that name for my company. I'm from Ojogba. For Edo State. Then when I come Benin, I say I want network. My friend take me to that's a mechanic, bike mechanic. I say I don't like her. Say I know if you use this one, build as bike car. You know, because the money not go anywhere. That's why I enter street before I can see the work when I like. But by grace of God, as I start on, God consider help me before I need the work 3 years. Then I do Joma 8 years because waiting day grants low support. But really after that 8 years for Joma. When I start my God just lift me up once. By grace of God, I see so many boys when I don't train. I see get about 13 boys for ground now. When I see they teach work.
Since where you they do this work, what be the challenges where you don't get so far?
For that challenge, many things. When you are see something or you get work, challenge must they come out. You must see, but you give time to God. Anyone you feel pass through, you take her. Say na Baba God.
Among the boys where you don't train, which of them you say he really they do well for work where you learn well? Some boys they will go learn work, they'll forget what they will go learn.
I feel count two now. Once see they use the work, it don't get your house. Till now, the second one see they try. Now so the life be.
So now this work where you they do so, how long you say you don't take do one? Since where you dey do am?
When I take start my own, over 6 years. But God don't help me, I don't do many things. As I talk now, I get 2 houses, I get 2 cars, I get children. Yes, I see they help people when I see gets, but to support.
So what will be your advice for other people who do work, hand work, we never feel reach the level where you do so?
First of all, when you dey work, even though don't put eye for money. If you put eye for money, you don't know what you dey learn. Or you dey work, you dey carry woman, you know if you need that work. Because many things it will dey your brain. No way, and that's when the reason. From there, that's why I advise for anything they do. Face one. Don't say because I dey do this one and you say I get more to. You say your destiny not there. You say you are connected now. You know if you still make am. You get where you go reach, you divert. Or you see and say mechanic they buy motor or do this one to this one. You say na mechanic one no. Anything when you want before life. Now small picking now you from no. Because when I did small. I always dey carry because I don't know my papa. Now only my mama say I lose more. But when I start to the grow, they come. Sometimes if you carry chair like this, or they knock out, say na mechanic I do. Really, when time reach, I not see give up when I see the village. But any job I dey do am. When I did village, they tell you say I did village, you don't believe. From that time when I start, I not relax one day.
You know that time before you come Benin? There's some of your mates who are gonna the village.
Yes.
They meet them since when they do this work?
Yes. Even some, they come my house, they don't stay. Before you know, and they advise me not come because that time all of them follow money because they ride bike. Me not follow because of money, make I ride bike. That's why I enter the work when I do so. That's so.
So your boys, I want me to call them and make you they follow each other.
Senior boy be this one now. Even though I can't work now, not come. Any work when they had done, now call you go call me say, oh guy, see you. I will tell him, oh yeah, say I will take doing, so I will take doing.
What will be your name?
Owas.
How long you going to learn this work too?
It goes to 5 years now.
5 years. So far, how you be now? The way you take reach here, you don't learn something good thing?
Yes, sir. Thank God for everything. I don't cash up. If my God on this turn, anything see me I do, I must call him. If he add me, I'll call him. He will give me second expo. I will do it. It will work. Sometimes he will leave stuff for me. I will handle the stuff for him. No problem. Nothing.
So for that 5 years now, how long are you supposed to free your car?
6 years.
6 years. Now, so far that you have been learning this work, you don't get any wahala before?
No, when I take on, never get wahala. We do night job for them. Any job may come, make sure say we do them. But all miss me say the job, they okay. And people who never work for them, they still come for us. So shoot the job, they still go us.
All these people that in boys where they will learn work under them. One day they will become a guy of their own. So what thing you want to talk about your guy?
He's a very nice man. And also, he's my uncle as well. So I'm happy to have him as an uncle and I love him so much. So this work I'm learning, I've been here for like, let me say, some few months ago. So I've known much about this work. So I'm very happy that I'm learning from him.
Which aspect is the most difficult aspect?
The most difficult aspect is about the compressor and also to drop the dashboard inside. Well, I haven't got it to that. If I have anything to do with it, I will call my senior ones to help me out. Because that is the only challenge I have for now. Just to call them and help me out. But any other thing, I can do it myself. Glory be to God, I'm learning this work. I'm happy for it.
We have one of his customers here. Want to tell us his experience with Ujogba since he has been patronizing him.
By God's grace, I've known Sonny Ujogba for the past 9 years now. I know him through a friend of mine that he have an AC problem then, and he directed me here. So ever since, whenever I have issue with my AC, I always bring my car down here, and he's doing well. I know how to address customer, and he have time for customer. You never see him angry. He's always happy. He's a nice guy. He know the job. I know what he's doing. If you look around now, there is cars everywhere. You must come on time. If not, you know we'll see your time. If you are bringing your car here, you must have patience. You must have patience with him. Say wahala, no. I never see any wahala here. No wahala. No wahala. Anything that is bad, he will tell you go and buy it yourself. You buy it, he fixes for you, and the car is working. No wahala at all. Everything is okay.
Now well done. I'm Mr. Remy Uzoigwe from New Motors Papers Market. Ewareke, Benin.
So all the way from that side?
Yes.
And you come, they do
I
the
find
same
and come.
side.
I find and come. My guy. The guy
Before
took.
he become your guy, how you take know him? Now this through this work?
Yes. Now through this work. Now make me the find and they come.
Like how long now you don't give him work?
At least I know him not less than about 5 years ago.
And since when they work for you, any complaint?
No complaint, no complaint. If I get issue, I come and meet him, we go settle the matter amicably. You no go like make we, get make me dey annoyed or something like that. You would like to give me customer scare.
So sir, what advice will you get for her now? Which advice you get?
My advice is that he has to keep it up. All these young youths that is coming up to, most of the workshops, they don't do well. When you go there, it's like tout. You went to tout place. They will do here and there, they thief things, they do this, but such that happen here. I have not noticed that such before. Make he keep it up. No while things go good for them.
I've been his customer for the past 2 years now. I think he's doing a good work. For me to come all the way from my local government area,
Which local government?
Bubaoka, to this way, think how so many places they do it, but they are not doing it perfectly the way it's supposed to be. But when you come here, you do the work perfectly, and you will not see any regrets.
For all the time you be coming here, have you had a case of one issue or the other from this company?
No. I've never had any issue. Or he's always perfect. When the thing is bad, he tell you that it's bad. If it is good, he tell you that it's good. And you pay him for this workmanship, and you leave. The only challenges that he's facing here is need empowerment. And like this place, if it is in the developed country, I think they're supposed to have a place like a warehouse, like a place like the place now. This place now, you see that when it's raining, they beat the customers and the owner. When the sun everywhere, you understand. So you need to build a factory of his own, yes, so that he can have more respect. So, but in terms of the work, the guy knows the job very well.
So far so good. We are still on the program, My Handwork. We are with Ujogba's neighbor. At least neighbor will be able to see a lot of things that is going on in Ujogba's shop.
Ujogba is a nice man, nice boy, and he's very efficient in his job. He doesn't make trouble, and he's very, very, very cooperative and very, very kind to everyone in the area. Nothing like any police or anything has ever come here for Ujogba. He does his job nicely. He does his job very well. And any job you bring to him, you will testify to it by yourself. He has been able to discipline his boys. The boys are like him. He's a good boy. I deal on generator here. And so he's a good neighbor. And the boys, he has been able to train them well. My advice for him as a young man, he should continue with the job he's doing because efficiently, and he has been nice. He should still continue, carry on with it the way he's doing it.
So what is the plan where you get to move to the next level in this job?
I need support. When we feel say, as I guess more than for inside town, I will fence am. I put security when go dey guide them. I've been support when I ask for government to support me to make my work go front. If government still bring people for me to train, it will be like company, like all those car now outside that they live on for. I know how much I pay when they take the guides, but if I get that fence, not fence, that I leave car, no go the fear. Then at any time I open, I enter. Now what I need for government, I be that one. May they help me, may they support me.
My viewers, it's been a program. We have been on with a great Nigerian, an Edolite. We have come to showcase him. He has been able to prove to us that he knows this job. He has trained a lot of people. We have been able to talk to the boys that he has trained and his customers. Here are my people. Now the program where we did since so, My Handwork. And we don't go, we don't come. We really show say this AC repairer, he really know him work well. Many people talk about him. Boys wey don train, customers wey dey bring work for am. And he further say the help wey he want now say make government help am. Make him get big place where he go dey park this vehicle, because the way big vehicle customers still dey come. Now outside here their cars they sleep till they finish their work. Make government still bring people where he go train. So you see say this man ready to work with government. So we go see they go, they bring other artisans, other people where they do handwork. Different handwork to una doorstep, make una dey see them. Now see your program, my program, our program, visited those states. Now we still dey watch. Thanks for watching. God bless you now.